In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove card on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to securely save your payment card so checkout is quick and reliable. First, log into your Alibaba account on a trusted device and a secure network. Once you're in, go to your profile icon at the top right and open Account Settings. If you're on a phone or tablet, the profile icon may be tucked into a menu, but the option you want is still Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, locate Payment Settings. This is where Alibaba keeps your saved payment methods and where you'll manage any cards linked to your account. Open Payment Settings and look for the Add a Card button. Click it to bring up the secure card entry form. Now carefully enter your card details. This typically includes the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, the full card number, the expiration date, the security code on the back, and the billing address tied to the card. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification errors. If your bank requires international or online transactions to be enabled, double check that as well, since many suppliers on Alibaba process payments cross-border. When you're ready, proceed to verify and save. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to complete a one-time password, a text message code, or a 3D secure prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions, wait for the confirmation, and then select Save. Give it a moment to process. Once it's successful, your card should appear in your list of payment methods. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the list. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth and secure. Alibaba will not display your full card number after saving, which is normal and helps protect your data. If you encounter a decline or an error, re-enter the details carefully, confirm the billing address, and consider trying another supported browser. Clearing your cache or disabling aggressive ad blockers can also help the form load correctly. For cards that are nearing expiration, remember to update the details ahead of time to avoid interruptions at checkout. If you ever need to remove a card, go back to the same payment settings page and look for the option next to the saved card to delete or remove it. Keep only the cards you actively use and never share your full card details in messages or chats. That's it. Your card is added and ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing.